Hold hands with her, Camille. She wants to dance with you. Ready? This is a pajama dance. Camille's got no pants on. Camille, can you shake your booty for your daddy? Shake your booty like your sister. Oh, you guys are killing me. Oh, I love it. I wish I had this much energy. So is your daddy. Your daddy says he feels too old to do anything anymore. So I know you feel that. Camille, do that again. Look at me. Do that again. Show me again.
Please?
I bet you can't do it again.
Yes, I can.
See. Very good dancing. I can't believe you guys haven't fallen on some of the stuff on this floor. I know it. Would make for a really good video. Oh, now I'm not going to jinx you. These are our kids. Okay, say I wish you were here to dance with us, Dad. We love you. Say bye.
Bye.